So you open an app, then another one, and before you know it, you have 27 apps open in the background, which feels wrong. So naturally, you start closing all of them like you're cleaning your room before guests arrive, because in your mind, more apps open equals slower phone. Makes sense. It's also not really how it works. See, your phone is smarter than that. When you leave an app, it doesn't just sit there running wild in the background like a toddler on energy drinks. Most of the time, it just freezes, like completely paused. No movement, no activity, just sitting there waiting for you to come back. So when you open your recent apps and see a long list, that's not running apps. That's more like a history of things you touched. Now, here's where it gets interesting. When you force close an app, you're not helping your phone, you're actually making it do more work. Because the next time you open that app, your phone has to reload it, reprocess everything, restart it from scratch. And that uses more CPU, sometimes even more battery. So instead of helping performance, you've actually created more work. Congratulations! Now, to be fair, not all apps behave nicely. Some apps do run in the background, like music apps, navigation apps, messaging apps. These need to stay active, otherwise things break. But even then, your phone is in control. It decides who gets power, who gets paused, and who gets quietly removed from existence. Think of your phone like a manager. Apps are employees. Some are working, some are on break, and some are just there pretending to be useful. When memory runs low, your phone starts firing people. Automatically, no meeting, no warning, just gone. So when you go in and start closing apps manually, you're basically walking into the office like, I got this, and then firing everyone, including the people your phone actually needed. Now you reopen those apps, and your phone is like, okay, we're hiring again. This constant closing and reopening, that's what actually slows things down, not leaving them alone. But here's the part people don't like to hear. Doing nothing is better. Leaving apps in the background saves time, keeps things ready, and often uses less battery because your phone is already optimized for this. So yeah, closing background apps feels productive, like you're optimizing something, taking control, but in reality, your phone was already doing a better job than you. So next time you see 15 apps open, you can close them. That's fine. Just know you're not fixing anything. You're just keeping yourself busy.